Hello, everybody. Welcome to a Smart Grasp, Explore, and Win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic. Now we are going to discuss about the chapter Understanding Elementary Shapes, exercise 5.3. So in that first sum, they have given the match. So we have some direct questions about the angle, straight angle, right angle, acute, obtuse, and reflex angles. In the right hand side, we have some statements. So let's solve the statements to the angle first so that it is easy for us to match. We already knew that 1/4 of revolution is 90 degree, one complete revolution is 360, half of revolution is 180 because half of 360 is 180 and 1/4 of revolution is 90. 1 by 4 into 360 is 90. So which we already discussed in the concept video. Now in the right hand side they have given less than 1/4 of a revolution, meaning that it is always less than 90 degree. Then we have more than half a revolution, that is it is greater than 180 degree. Half of a revolution which is 180. Next 1/4 of a revolution which is 90. Now between 1/4 and half of a revolution, that is in between 90 and 180. Next the last we have one complete revolution which is 360. Now let's match it with the left hand side. Straight angle, we already knew that straight angle is 180 degree, which is half of a revolution, that is option C. Therefore the answer for first one is option C. Then we have right angle. Right angle is 90 degree, which is 1/4 of revolution, option D. Then we have acute angle. Acute angle is always less than 90 degree, that is it is always less than 90 degree, which is 1/4 of revolution. Lesser than 1/4 of revolution we need to choose, which is option A. Then comes the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is always greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It lies obtuse angle greater than 90, less than 180. Therefore it always lies between 90 and 180, that is it should be between 1/4 of revolution and half of a revolution. On looking out the options, we have option E. Next we have the reflex angle, which is greater than 180 but less than 360. It should be greater than half of a revolution, that is option B, which is greater than 180. Moving on to the second sum, we have angles and they are asking the types of angles. So in the first diagram, this is a acute angle. Why is that? Because 90 degree will be in the form of L shape or number 7 shape. If you look into the diagram, if it is 90 degree, the line should be here, the ray should be here, but it is lesser than the 90. That is, instead of being the straight, it is slightly lesser than the 90 degree. Therefore it is acute angle. Now the second one, this is obtuse angle. This is why, because obtuse angle is always greater than 90 but less than 180. If it is like this, it is 90 degree but it is greater than 90. Therefore it is obtuse angle. Similarly, it is not 180. 180 is a straight angle. It is less than that. Therefore it is obtuse, because obtuse is always greater than 90 and less than 180. Now moving on to the third one, this is clearly we can say that it is a right angle, because right angle is always formed when the line is perpendicular to the other. It will be very straight, erect. Therefore this is 90 degree, which is right angle. Now moving on to the fourth one, the angle is here. This is clearly reflex angle, because it is greater than the straight line. If the straight line is like this, it is greater than the straight line angle, which is reflex angle, because reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. Therefore it is a reflex angle, greater than 180, less than 360. And the fifth one is straight angle, because the line is straight and the angle is formed here is also in a straight line. Therefore it is a straight angle, which is 180 degree. And moving to the last, it is similar to the first one, acute angle, because it is less than the 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, the line will be straight perpendicular. Since it is less than that, it is an acute angle. Thank you all for watching Smart. Grasp, explore and win. Stay tuned for more videos.